So hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay and I am back today to show you guys some goodies that I received from a good friend of mine here on YouTube. She goes by the name of Dolly Roman, so make sure you guys check her out. But she recently started her own cosmetic line called All Dolled Up Cosmetics, and she sent me some goodies. So today I'm going to be showing you what she sent me, and of course I did create this look using her product. Now I did film this video last night, but the whole look that I did not like it, so I went ahead and did a completely different look, which I created right here. So this is the look that you guys will see in the video, but whatever I recorded previously will be in the video. It's just me showing you guys all the products that she sent me. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys like the final look. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below, and of course share this video with your family and friends. If you're a new subscriber, welcome, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button as well as the post notification bell so you not miss a new upload from yours truly. That is pretty much it. I will see you guys in my next video. Alright, so before I let you guys know what I got, this video is way overdue, so I do apologize for the tardiness. But my girl Dolly Roman here on YouTube, if you're not familiar with her, make sure you guys check out her channel. I will leave the link down below so you guys can head over to her channel, watch her videos, subscribe, all that good stuff. But she started her own little cosmetic line, which is called All Dolled Up Cosmetics. The name is so cute. If you know Dolly, she love her some glitter, she love her some pink, all that stuff. So a couple of stuff that she sent me I will be using in this video today, but I definitely wanted to show you guys how everything looks before I actually use it, because she did send me a pair of lashes and I want to show you guys how those look before I put them on my eye. So let's go ahead and see what she sent me. So first, she put everything in this little bag, really cute. She sent me a little card. On the card, it just pretty much says All Dolled Up Cosmetics. I will show you guys. And on the back, she did write down everything that she sent me. So again, this is how like the little card or whatever you want to call it looks like. It's kind of bent up and stuff, but that's okay. And then on the back, she did let me know what all she sent me. So she sent me a glitter stack, she sent me a lip gloss shade, she sent me a pair of lashes, and she also sent me a hair clip. So I will make sure I leave her website link down below in the description box. So if you guys are interested in checking out her cosmetic line, you really should. So first, here are the glitter stacks. There's 6 glitters. This one's Baby Spice, Icy, Diamonds, Roman, Princess, and Pink Print. So as y'all can see, there's a lot of pink going on. A lot of pink. The glitters are really pretty. I have used one so far. For today's look, I'm not too sure which one I'm going to use, but you guys will see that. Then she sent me a pair of lashes. On the back it says, well, you guys can't see, but on the back it says All Dolled Up Cosmetics. I don't remember if and in the front it has like these little stones, and I think she personalized this herself. So here's how the lashes look. They're really cute. Can't wait to put these on. I'm not too sure if these have a name, but if they do, I will leave the name down in the description box so you guys will know. Of course, this cute little holographic bag with the little ribbons, then the All Dolled Up Cosmetics sticker. So she sent me a hair clip. This one says Boss. She actually makes these herself, and it's really cute. I like that it's gold. And then here is the lip gloss she sent me. I can't pronounce the name. It's like a Spanish name, but it is really pretty. I'll go ahead and show y'all. On my hand, it comes off as like a gold clear glitter gloss, so that's really pretty. So I will definitely be using this lip gloss today. So I do want to thank Dolly for sending me all of this stuff, the glitter, the lashes, the lip gloss, and the hair clip. I really do appreciate it, and I am so thankful and blessed to be helping her grow her business, informing you guys about her business and all that good stuff. It is black owned, a black owned small business. I do recommend that y'all check her out, spend your money on her, all that good stuff. So that's pretty much it for this part of the video. I'm gonna go ahead and do my whole face. You guys see that I've done my brows already, so I am not gonna do a full tutorial for you guys. I'm gonna focus on my eyes and the lashes, and of course the lips part. Everything else I'll be doing off camera. Then I'm gonna come back and show you guys my final look with using her products. So
Stroke it, baby, stroke it
baby. Work it, baby. Stroking.